3. The Jesus Code. How Jesus Christ proves to all mankind He is God, the Creator of the heavens and the earth. Author Tom Barrera shares his discovery of the Jesus Code number 3 that leads to the writing of the webbooks of T3 Theory, solving the biggest puzzle in the universe, how God and the universe were born. His journey of inspirational discovery leads to how God created the universe in 6 days by intelligent design, not a cosmic accident. T-theory explains how the heavens and the earth can be both old and young and is biblically and scientifically probable. This work will present summaries of the most recent scientific and spiritual thinking about God and the mysteries of the universe in layman's terms. T3 theory replaces the Big Bang theory and evolution with one uniting religion together with science, disproving Stephen Hawking's no God or afterlife theory. It proves we are not worm food but have a heavenly destiny, offering all believers and non-believers in God alternatives to the ungodly theories of evolution and Big Bang cosmology from nothing. I started out to prove Hawking wrong. How do I prove it? Never in my wildest dreams did I expect what would happen next. I was given a mission. His mission: present the key, 3, that unlocks the separation of God from science and universal creation. Publish the book on the information superhighway for free. Write it for science and all believers and non-believers of a creator God. Proof of God for the doubting Thomases has now been given us in the language of simple mathematics across 5D to 4D space-time. It has gone unrecognized by science because the answers and clues were encoded in the scriptures themselves. This in and of itself is more proof of a religious, spiritual and scientific connection. T3 theory, the biggest puzzle in the universe, solved. I think you are really going to enjoy this webbook. I wrote it to be easy to read, in a multimedia style that helps enhance and express complex thoughts and concepts in an enlightening yet fun and entertaining way. It's very enjoyable, full of documented science, sci-fi clips and scriptural sources that express universal truths. I give you my personal witness that God lives. This message is for all those that want to know for sure there is a God. He left us a code, 3, the Jesus Code, how Jesus Christ proves to all mankind He is God. Read it at 3thejesuscode.com. Author Tom Barrera. Contact tomdbarrera@gmail.com.